Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this video I will show you how you can migrate your WordPress website from one domain to another domain. And for the video I have two websites here open. One is a website which is operational and it's have courses. Actually this is one e-learning website which 250 courses which you can get, by the way. You can see on the description. Okay, so this is a full website. It has 250 courses. It has plugins, pages, everything. So it's a full operational website. And I want to migrate this website to another empty WordPress website. I have here installed an empty WordPress website. As you see, it doesn't have anything. And if I go to the front end, it doesn't have anything. It's an empty website. Okay, demo. All right. So how we can move this website fast and with few easy clicks? To operate the migration, we need a plugin, a migration plugin. We will use one of my favorite, which is called all-in-one WP migration plugin. So if we go here to the plugins, I will install it. And this plugin has a limit of 500 megabytes. So if your website is more than 500 megabytes, you need to buy the Pro version. But in the description below, I have a link where you can download an older version that has a 10 gigabyte limit. Okay, so you don't have problem. You keep this older version and you proceed with a migration. And if your website is like more than 500 megabytes, 1 giga, 2 giga, you don't have any problems. It's up to 10 giga. All right, let's go to the plugins here. I am on the website which I want to move to the new domain. All right, I have to install the plugin. I go to plugins and then I click add new plugin. And then I click upload plugin, then choose file, and then I will upload the plugin from my computer. I have it is called all-in-one WP migration. Is the version 6.77, and here it says that it has 10 gigabyte upload limit. Okay, I click this, and then I click install now, and then I click activate plugin. Alright, the plugin has been installed and activated. Here it says that it has to be updated. Please don't update it, because if you update it to the latest version, then you will have 500 megabyte limit. So keep it as it is to have larger limits up to 10 giga. So here we have now a new menu on the left sidebar, and it says export. Okay, we can export, import, or here we can go on the backups. In this case, because we are on the website that we want to export it, we click export. And then we have to click here export to, and we choose file. You have some other options also, but here we will choose the simplest, which is file. We have to export a file, and we can keep also this file as a backup. That way we can keep a backup of our website on our computer. Okay, so we click the file, and now it starts the procedure to prepare the backup. This procedure doesn't take long. It usually takes 1-2 minutes if your site is not so large. I will pause the video until this is done so I can continue to show you. So we see that the backup has been created, and now we have to click download to download it to our computer. Alright, it started to download. So this website is 518 megabytes. I will pause the video until it's downloaded, and I will continue from there. Okay, the download has been completed now, and we can close this safely. And also we can go and remove the backup. So we go to backups, we go here, and we can delete the backup. If you have the Pro version of this plugin, then we can also restore it. Okay, there is the option to restore the backup. That is good, but it's only if you have the Pro version. Anyway, this is not for the video now. We can delete it from here, and then we are done with the let's say old website, the site that we extracted the backup. We can close this. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. So now we go to the new website and we see that it's empty, and we have to repeat the process of adding this migration plugin. So we go to plugins, add new plugin, upload plugin, choose file, and then again choose the plugin and install now. We activate the plugin. Okay, it's activated. We still don't update it. As I told you, keep this version. And then we go to here to the plugin all-in-one WP migration, and now we click import. So we click the import. We click import from file. We click the file. And then we see here, this is the backup we just extracted. Okay, so we click this file to import it now. And now the procedure has started, and it will take some time. It can take up to 10 minutes for the 500 megabyte website, and depending on internet speed and also the size of the file, it can take more or less. So I will pause now the video. Let's see that it has started, and I will pause the video. Here it shows the progress. I just want to see that it started. Okay. Sometimes, just to know, sometimes it is not working and it is stopping. Or it goes up to 10%, 20% and it is stopping. The reason for that is because you have a low memory limit on your hosting, or there is a limit on the maximum file size you can upload. I have another video that you can see how to increase these limits. I will pause now the video until it is completed, and I will show you the final result. Alright, the upload has been completed, and I will have to click here the proceed button. Just warning, the website that exists right now will be overwritten by the new website you have installed. So if you are adding this backup file to an existing website and you don't want to lose this website, please don't proceed here. In this case, we are adding the new website to an empty website, and this is how it should be. But I'm just warning you here, if you install a backup on a website by thinking that these websites, the two websites will be together, this does not exist. If you click here proceed, the new site will override the existing website. Okay, so I click proceed, and it will take around 1 minute this action, and it will be completed, and then we are done. Okay, the message says here your data has been imported successfully. We can close now this. And if we refresh the page here, you will see that we are logged out, because we need to log in again, and we need to use the username and the password from the website that we just imported. The previous login that this website had, it don't work anymore, because now a new website has been installed and it has its own username and its own password. So the login is your site name. Let me see if I remember correctly. Okay, we are logged in. Now let's see the front end. You see here that now we have all the plugins. If we go to the plugins, install plugins, you see all the plugins are there. Okay, let's see the front end also. Right, so the site is here. We just imported and migrated a full website. Okay, here is the original. You see it, and here is on the new domain. Okay, you see here the domain. Here is on testing.terradigital.com, the new domain. Everything has been imported, and that's all. Now, make sure to go and remove this plugin, because you don't need it, and because it doesn't have the latest version, it's not safe for you to keep it on your website. So click deactivate, and then click delete, and then OK. And you always have this file. You download this plugin from the description. You can get it for free. I don't sell this plugin, but keep this old version so you have a high limit. But make sure also to remove it after you complete the migration, so for security reasons you don't keep an outdated plugin on your site. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about WordPress and make money online. Let me know also in comments if you have any suggestions for video you want me to make for you, any other topics you want me to cover, and I will see you on another video. Bye bye.